Hello and welcome to Research Circle. I hope you are doing well. So today our topic for discussion is 8 ways to find easy and legal online income. So when I say legal, that means it will not connected to any fraud. Okay, so we have to we can assure that this will be of no harm to anyone. Okay, so we all know this is the digital world, and in this world of digital, freelancing is no longer forwarded. Okay, instead slowly income an attractive career path for different walks of life. So, from the youth startup to established professionals, the number of freelancers has spiked in the last few years thanks to the rapid transformation and advancement in technology, particularly in communication and networking. So, first of all, we need to understand what is freelancing. Okay, what is freelancing? So, we'll discuss this that most of us are the freelancers may have started having other family members or friends being reluctant at your perspective for leaving that job 9 to 5. Though the potential of working in the pajamas, not having to deal with the break room gossip, having to be in a control your work schedule is too tempting. So there are various opportunities in earning online, and they are fruitful and plentiful as well. So we have gathered the most popular ventures here. So we'll discuss one by one. The first here comes is content writing. Okay, so now we have to understand this concept, that is content writing. Virtually almost all the transactions are done online now. So business needs to be visible on the largest platform of potential clients. So to market their services, they need a web page to advertise and place their services. Okay, so particularly they need a place where they can place their product, whatever it is. So there are two types of earn as a content writer, either writing for someone else's blog or writing on your own blog. So however you can choose to do both when you are able. So if you have fear of words, great grammar skills and willing to know more about SEOs, then working as a content writer will be relative for you. Okay, so the next comes here is graphic designing. So when I say graphic, you must understand, you must heard about this word graphic. So like the content writing, business is on look for talent graphic designers who are created, who can create visually appealing images on their websites. Now we all know most of the YouTube videos we attract just by looking at the thumbnail. Okay, so by reading the thumbnail, by watching the thumbnail, we immediately click to that video. So that is not nothing but your the magic of graphic. So visuals and graphics combined are the strategies that make companies utilize to market their services. Like I already said, if you have that artistic talent and versed with the Photoshop and other graphic design software, then being a graphic designer is a great option, plus it plays well. So the next one comes here is very popular, that is web designing. Web design or web designing is the almost everyone has visited a website, and it's an interface where your content writes up and graphics go. So every business will need a web design that matches to their brands. Maybe it will be the color design and the content. So you may find templates online to build your website, but most companies are still looking for customized web design that can capture their brand. Okay, we all know there are various templates available, but this is only the limited version. So if you love designing and if you have good grasp of your HTML and CSS skills, then web designing is for you. So take a note that though that web design involves the front end and back ended designs, you can do both to be an expert in one. Instead doing both, you can be expert in only one. Okay, the next one comes here is a social media management. This is also a great uh, opportunity nowadays. Social media has taken over almost every aspect of marketing and companies. So every companies are trying to take advantage of large pool of audience in this particular social media. Though with the number of social platforms and the works needed to keep a social media platform up and running, business owners needs a social media manager. So dedicated social media managers ensure that strong and relevant content can reach as much as many customers as possible. So if you are social media savvy and enjoy doing social media campaigns, a social media manager is a great fit for you. The next comes here is a virtual assistant. This is also a great, this position has a potential to be steady and continuous flow of income, and lots of companies seek help online to manage their administrative or other aspects of the business. So generally, this can be include setting up appointments, checking emails, updating on book, writing emails to clients, and other tedious tasks that most business owners can't handle themselves. So with this, you need a good organizational and communication skill, since you will be dealing with the multiple tasks at the same time. The next one these days is online English teacher. Now this is also an interesting job. English is a second nature to every different part of the world's language. So with your good grammar skills and patience, you can be online English teacher. Most of your students will include Chinese, South Korean, and Japanese, and other languages. There are good range of demographic of people who want to learn English language, and this can include students or professionals. So an online English teacher is a great option if you want to a stable and continuous flow of work, but you will need to be versatile in terms of teaching methods. So next one comes here is online selling. This is also an interesting option available, that is online selling. So today almost anything and everything could be bought online. That means the platform needs sellers, and the online selling business can be lucrative option. Just like selling physically, you will need to set up a store, but this time using an online store. You can either build your own, or if you are still starting out, you can take advantage of the two most popular online stores, namely as a Shopee. Okay, here comes the uh, Shopee, and other is Lazada. These are just examples. You can take examples. So these are the online stores, online shopping stores. So being an online seller means you have got to be a jack of all trades. So this means you need accounting, managerial, secretarial skills, and savvy business owner to be successful in this particular field. So last, here comes the affiliate programs. Now what is this? Basically, affiliate programs are offered by businesses that gives you commission when you have successful produced a lead or a purchase. So this is basically a commission paying job. Okay, so this can be in a form of products or cash, typically ranging from 2% to 2% to 10%, 12%. Okay, so this is the range here. So you can utilize affiliate programs with your social media platforms to generate successful leads. So at last, these are the few ideas or tips, we can say areas or opportunities where you can explore your online earning. So now in this pandemic situation, everyone is going online. So if you want to earn some extra money with this 8 guides or these 8 tools might help you. So I hope I have delivered what I want to deliver to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to Research Circle yet, please do subscribe, share.